Hey, what's up, guys? It's Marcus with 4Banger TV, and here's another episode. Today I'm just giving a little update on the engine bay, and also going to be taking a look at the rear wheels with the spacers and everything, and I'll explain that in a few minutes. So, what we're talking about with the engine bay today is I had a vacuum leak, and I wasn't exactly sure why and everything, but come to find out that the so there was one of these down here at the throttle body, and unfortunately it didn't make it very tight, and it was like really loose, and this like would move all over the place. But now I bought a coupler from, I think it was O'Reilly's or AutoZone, I forget, but just a little cheap coupler. Works, it's Spectra, so it's on there tight now, it's not moving. So, but on top of that, also got brand new air filter, because if you guys saw the one that I had on there before, if you saw my last video, you would be able to see that it was like rusted. And that's probably from it getting wet, and it was also rubbing on the inside of the bay a little bit, so it probably scratched it up and made it rust even more. But other than that, I've gotten the engine bay pretty cleaned up, so it's looking a lot better. Unfortunately, it's raining right now. I just washed my car last night after work, and of course today it rained, so it was almost like pointless to do it. So that's shut now. So what we're going to be taking a look at now is I put wheel spacers, 1-inch wheel spacers on my rear wheels. Now I had it on the front before, but they were giving me issues, and it was wobbling, giving me the death wobble, if you guys know what that is. But if you take a look here, don't mind the crusty wheels. I gotta get new ones. These are all pitted and trashy. But anyways, if you look over here, this is the 1-inch spacer in here, and that's just to kind of give it a fat look, you know, give it a fat look. So what I did is, there actually used to be a gap in there, but I grinded down and cut off the wheel studs so that the wheel fit against the spacer, because that was what the problem was, is that my stock studs on the wheel hub were just too long, and they were poking in the back of the wheel. So if you take a look at the one on the other side, it still has that, because I didn't cut them yet, because the other ones took longer than expected. But if you look over here, it's got a tiny bit of a gap, and that's not good, not at all. But if you look, that wheel is about right there, and that one's about right there, and if you look at them, makes it look a lot fatter. Now I'm sure you guys have seen oops, that was a mistake. But anyways, I'm sure you guys have all seen Cobalts on the road and everything. But yeah, you know, trying to make it look good. Next thing is probably either going to be lowering springs or coilovers. I'm hoping to get coilovers. If not, then the next thing will be headers, because the ones that I have on it, they're kind of bad. And if anybody knows anything about Cobalts or Camaros and everything, a good parts company and website to go on is ZZ Performance, because they actually sell so many performance parts for these cars. It's ridiculous. But unfortunately, they're a little expensive, but it's worth it if you want quality parts that are gonna last. So that was just a little update for you guys, but I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Just give it a like and subscribe if you're a new viewer, and just let your friends know about the channel. And you know, we're trying to get out there, and hopefully soon, in the next few days or so, or the next week, I'll have maybe a little car review video, or I'm hoping to go to a meet maybe this weekend, and maybe I can get some footage for you guys then. But until then, you guys have a good day, and thank you very much for watching.